Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening Skyscanner and entering the essentials: trip type, origin and destination, and travel dates. Make sure to set passengers and cabin now because fares depend on them. Use flexible dates if your schedule allows. That often finds lower prices. Once done, tap Search to load results. This first move narrows options quickly and reveals how price varies with dates and carriers, so you can make better choices in the next steps. You now refine results to match priorities. Apply filters for nonstop flights, max duration, or preferred airlines. Check the price calendar or whole month view to spot the cheapest departure and return dates. That often saves more than picking a single day. Click a flight to inspect times, layovers, and baggage rules. Then compare booking options shown. Airline direct usually means clearer support, while online travel agencies can be cheaper but add complexity. Weigh cost versus reliability before proceeding. You're ready to book. Choose the exact fare, double-check baggage allowance and change or refund conditions, then proceed to passenger details. Enter names as they appear on ID, add contact info, and complete payment. After confirmation, save the booking reference and email receipt. If the booking page errors or price jumps, try clearing cache or using an incognito window and retake a screenshot. If problems persist, contact the airline or the listed seller immediately for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.